Hi students, in this session we are going to discuss problems based on elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. See, we are given these two equations containing variables m and n. So in the solution, first you write down solution, write down the given equations. Okay, so the given equations are the given equations are see, first equation is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Call it as equation number 1. Then second is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Call it as equation number 2. Now we are going to observe what elimination is easy here. So see, here coefficient of m is 5 and here coefficient of m is 1. If we multiply this equation 2 by 5, then this coefficient will become 5, and on subtracting, the elimination of m will be possible. And here if we try to eliminate variable n, so what we have to do, we have to multiply first equation by 2 as due to that this coefficient will become 6, and again on subtracting n will be eliminated. So both the eliminations are easy here. So now let's choose elimination of variable m. For that I am going to multiply equation 2 by 5. So multiplying equation 2 by 5, we get see, 5 into m minus 6n is equal to 5 into minus 7. So this is 5m, 5 into m, 5m, 5 into minus 6n is minus 30n is equal to minus 35. 5 into minus 7 minus 35. So call it as equation number 3. Okay, here you have to stick up well to the rules of signs in addition and multiplication to solve such type of equations. So let's recall them. In multiplication, see, consider two numbers minus 4 and minus 3. So this product is 12. Again 4 into 3, this product is 12. Then consider minus 4 into 3, this product is minus 12. Then consider 4 into minus 3, this product is again minus 12. So observe the rules carefully. Here in these two examples, both the numbers have same sign. Okay, same sign. So you are going to multiply them and the product will be positive. If both the numbers have same sign, then product is positive. And in second these two conditions, see, both the numbers have opposite signs. Here 4 is minus and this 3 is plus, so their product is negative. That means while multiplying the numbers, if both the numbers have opposite signs, then their product is negative. In case of addition, see, consider the same numbers. If we add minus 4 minus 3, if we add 4 plus 3, if we add minus 4 plus 3, if we add 4 plus minus 3, see what are the results. Okay. So minus 4 minus 3, this is minus 7. That means when we are going to add two numbers with the same sign, we are going to add them and give that same sign. Here 4 has plus sign, 3 has plus sign, so addition is 7. That means while adding two numbers, if both the numbers have same sign, then we are going to add them and put the same sign there, either minus or plus. And in these two cases, see, both the numbers have opposite signs, and in this case we are going to add subtract smaller number from greater number and put the sign of greater number. So here is 4 is greater than 3, so you subtract 3 from 4, so this is answer will be 1, and you put sign of 4, so it is minus 1. Okay, here again both the numbers have opposite signs, so you subtract smaller number from larger number and put sign of larger number, so it will be 1. It is regular subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. In some cases students make mistakes regarding these two rules, so you properly remember these rules for product and so addition. You have learned all these in 6th standard, though although there are mistakes by students, so avoid those mistakes and keep in mind these rules properly. Okay, now let's go to our solution. So we have this equation 1 and equation 3. This is modified equation from equation 2. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 3. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 3, what we get, we have to subtract equation 1 from 3, so write equation 3 firstly. This is minus 35. Then write down first equation, which is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and we are going to subtract this equation. So on subtracting, the sign plus changes to minus, sign of this term is minus, so it will change to plus, and again sign of 19 is plus, so it will change to minus on operating subtraction here. So 5m minus 5m, it get cancelled, it gives 0, and minus 30n plus 3n. See here, according to these rules, see, minus 30 plus 3. So here 30 is greater than 3. So you subtract 30 minus 3 here. Since both the numbers have opposite signs, you subtract smaller number from greater number. It will be 27, and you put sign of greater number to the result. So this addition subtraction is minus 27. Don't jumble with these rules of signs. Okay, so this is minus 30 plus 3, it is minus 27n, and it is, see, both the numbers have same sign, so we are going to put the same sign here and add both the numbers, so this addition will be 54. Okay, so we have this linear equation in one variable n, we have eliminated m here. So see, n is equal to minus 54. On shifting this minus 27 on the RHS, it will divide that minus 24. Okay, so n is equal to, this is minus sign get cancelled. That means here minus 1 factor at the numerator and denominator get cancelled, and 54 upon 27 is 2. So we have value of n as 2. Now let's substitute this value in any one of the equations. So I am going to substitute this value in equation 2. So we have to substituting n is equal to 2 in equation 2. In equation 2 we get see, m as it is minus, this equation is m minus 6n, so minus 6 into, substitute 2 for n is equal to minus 7, and therefore m minus 12 is equal to minus 7, and therefore m is equal to minus 7 plus 12, and therefore m is equal to, see again these two numbers have opposite signs, so we are going to put the sign of greater number, so it will be plus, and we are going to subtract the smaller number from greater number, so 12 minus 7, it is 5. So minus 7 plus 12 gives us 5. Therefore we have m is equal to 5. This is the required solution. So right at the end, this ordered pair mn is equal to, we got 5 2 is the solution, is the solution of the given equations, of the given equations. Okay, given equations. Now let us tally our answer. Okay, we are going to tally the answer. So what to do for that? Let us substitute m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2 in both the equations. So equation 1 will give 5 into 5 minus 3 into 2. So this calculation is 25 minus 6, and it is 19, which is RHS of equation 1. So equation 1 is satisfied by this solution. Okay, then for second equation we have 5 minus 6 into 2, since n is equal to 2, this will gives us 5 minus 12. So 5 minus 12 is minus 7. See, this is RHS of equation second. So with these values, both the equations are satisfied. So our solution is correct. Okay. Now let's go to next example. Next example. See, we are given these two equations. So let's start solving this. We have to solve these equations. So let us write solution. Write down the given equations. The given equations are, see, first equation is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Call it as equation 1. Then in second equation we are given 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Call it as equation number 2. Now here you observe that the coefficients of x and y are quite larger numbers than the coefficients in previous two examples. Okay, but here we observe that the coefficients of x and y in first equation are interchanged in the second equation. See, here coefficient of x is 99, and in second equation it is coefficient of y. So, and in equation 1 coefficient of y is 101, but it is coefficient of x in second equation. That means here we observe that the coefficients of x and y in first equation are interchanged in the second equation. So while solving such type of simultaneous equations, we are going to use one trick. Okay, let me apply that trick and then again I'll explain. So what we do for in such case, we add both the equations. So we have to add both the equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. And equation 2, what we get? We have to add LHS and we have to add RHS. Okay, so 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 plus 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So let's add LHS. It is 99 plus 101 will give us 200x. Again it is 200y, and this is 1000. Okay. Now taking 200 common from both the terms, we have 200 into x plus y is equal to 1000, and now this 200 is multiplied to bracket. So on shifting to RHS, it will divide RHS, and therefore xy is equal to 1000 upon 200. Okay, so we have x plus y is equal to, these two zeros get cancelled, and 10 by 2 will give us 5. So this is the simple linear equations in two variables x and y. So what we have done here, we have added both the equations to get a simple linear equations. Now this is the trick. We are going to add such type of equations to get a simple linear equations of the form x plus y is equal to some number, and next step is we are going to subtract both the equations to get equation of type x minus y is equal to some number. Okay, so now let's subtract the equations. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. We get see 99x. You write down equation firstly, since we are subtracting equation 2 from 1, so we have to write equation 1 first. So this is first equation. Then we are going to subtract second equation, 101y plus 99y is equal to 501. On applying subtraction, the signs of these terms will change. It will change to minus. This is again minus, and this is minus. So on subtraction, see 99 minus 101. This is x. 99 minus 101, this is minus 2x, and here 101 minus 99 is plus 2y is equal to, this subtraction is minus 2. Okay, so taking minus 2 common from both the terms, we have minus 2 into x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 is multiplied to this bracket, so on shifting to RHS, it will divide RHS. So minus 2 upon minus 2, and therefore x minus y is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 4. See again what we have done. We added both the given equations to get a simple linear equations in the form x plus y is equal to some number. Then we have subtracted both the given equations to get simple linear equation of type x minus y is equal to some number. This equation 3 and equation 4 are the modified simple linear equations. Now to find out values of x and y, we are going to solve these two simple linear equations. Now concentrate on equation 3 and 4. See how to eliminate variables. Observe these two equations. So I find here, if we add both the equations, y will be eliminated and we can find value of x. So this is very simple. Now let's add. So adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and equation 4. And equation 4, we get see x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. So this is y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6, and therefore x is equal to, on shifting this multiplied to RHS, it will divide RHS, and therefore x is equal to 6 by 2. Now next step, therefore x is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. So value of x is 3. Now substitute this value either in equation 3 or in equation 4. Let me substituting value or substituting value x is equal to 3 in equation, say equation 3. In equation 3 we get see, x is 3 plus y is equal to 5, and therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3, and therefore y is equal to 2. So see, we have this ordered pair xy as 3, 2 is the solution of the given equations Okay, you frame this answer. Now let's tally this answer. Okay, we are going to tally the answer. So you substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in equation 3 and 4. So we have in equation 3 x plus y, that means 3 plus 2, it is 5, and equation 3 is, see, equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5, so it is satisfied. Then equation 4, it is x minus y is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to, see, 3 minus 2, it is 1. Equation 4 also satisfied. Now you can substitute these values in the given equations and tally your answer. Okay, this tally is easy trick to check whether our answer is correct. Students, finally, like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos. Thank you for watching.